A formal language is recursive if a total Turing machine exists, b. a Turing machine that halts for every input, c. Turing machine rejects if the input does not belong to the language, d. all of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. The decision problem is the function from string to a char, b. int, c. boolean, d. none of the mentioned. The correct answer is boolean. Which of the following was not a part of Chomsky hierarchy? A. Context-sensitive grammar, b. Unrestricted grammar, c. Recursive grammar, d. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is recursive grammar. Recursive languages are also known as a. Decidable, b. Undecidable, c. Sometimes decidable, d. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is decidable. The problems which have no algorithm regardless of whether or not they are accepted by a Turing machine that fails to halts on some input are referred as a. Decidable, b. Undecidable, c. Computable, d. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is undecidable. Which among the following are semi-decidable? A. Empty DFA, b. Rec NFA, c. Infinite DFA, d. all of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. An algorithm is called efficient if it runs in time on a serial computer. A. Polynomial, b. non-polynomial, c. Logarithmic, d. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is polynomial. The class of recursive language is known as AR, BRC, CRL, d. all of the mentioned. The correct answer is R. Decidable can be taken as a synonym to A. Recursive, b. Non-recursive, c. Recognizable, d. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is recursive. The language accepted by a Turing machine is called A. Recursive enumerable, b. Recursive, c. Both A and B, d. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is both A and B. Which aong the following are undecidable theories? A. The first-order theory of Boolean algebra, b. The first-order theory of Euclidean geometry, c. The first-order theory of hyperbolic geometry, d. The first-order theory of the natural number with addition, multiplication and equality. The correct answer is the first-order theory of the natural number with addition, multiplication and equality. A problem is called if it has an efficient algorithm for itself. A. Tractable, b. Intractable, c. Computational, d. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is tractable. A language L is said to be if there is a Turing machine M such that L, M, L and M halts at every point. A. Turing acceptable, b. Decidable, c. Undecidable, d. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is decidable.